Yo, yo. For from now to the next days, I will build the content about. I use it to build the general, how to build the business, and this step share it with you. Now I will start with the specific targeting niche, which is MSP or IT service provider. I will provide a content for them and to also to provide service for them to keep scaling, keep increase or developing their business. Because as I noticed, there is a main two problems that why business owners fail, small and medium entrepreneurs fail to build their business. The first one is to get client consistently. Consistently. This is the main problem. They probably have a client for 1 2 months and then resign. He he don't I mean keep going with them as a provider. These main problems. The second one, they are they have a luck to keep those clients for as much as possible, maximum 3 months. So they when they added a new client, they didn't add it, they just replaced the previous one with the new one. So they feel that they are stuck in somewhere, they can develop it. So they can't keep a client for a long. This is the second main problem they face. So they solve the problems, but they don't know how to keep the client, because of the client when he solves the problem done. They need to understand what kind of a problems he will face after solving these problems, so they will kind of curiosity or kind of afraid to 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 face this problem and to not solve it. So client should be satisfied and happy, and he will keep with you. So for now, uh, need to focus on one problems, to solve one problems. I pick one problems for those client. I mean those MSP IT. I provide them service. I will explain also. This channel will be like a specific niche. Break down everything about IT service provider industry, or whatever it is, small or a medium. Channel and the videos here will be like a library for them during their journey of building their business. They will back to here to check, to look, to understand what happened with them. Management analyzing, to financial analyzing, to marketing analyzing, and how they analyze the tools they need to analyzing those stuff. Like the owner, even his background is not in management or in administration, but he need to learn those skills, the basis skill, how to run his business, how to look a big picture of his business, and look, is his business healthy, in healthy state or not? Is his business going forward to the point he want, the desired point. So these will not be easy, absolutely, but we will keep doing it. We will keep doing it. I will keep break down everything. Try to break down not everything. I can't cover everything, but marketing, finance, management, administration, many things that I know. I can talk about it for 10-20 minutes, like talking to my friend and explain to my friend about it. I will break it down here. And yeah, so the next videos I will try to upload 2 videos a week. Actually, I will back to 1 day, but every day, because I feel I'm lazy. Quantity over quality this time. Quantity over quality. After that, we will look at the quality over quantity. See you.